Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens is located just a few minutes north of Orlando in the town of Sanford, Florida. This zoo is 116 acres and is home to 400 animals. The zoo includes a train, a butterfly garden, giraffe feedings, a petting zoo, a splash pad, a treetop obstacle course, and a playground. We arrived a little later today than we typically try to arrive in an attraction. It is actually about 11 a.m. and those of you who watch our channel on a regular basis know that that means that it is lunchtime for the Aiken family. So we're actually going to start our adventure at the Snack Shack, which here is called the Gray's Kitchen. So Vivian, here is your $20 for today. This is something that we've been doing for a little bit, but we actually have kind of forgotten to do recently. And actually at this time, usually we'll try to encourage her to also purchase her lunch, but the lunch is actually kind of expensive here. After I added a gluten-free bun and bacon to my sandwich, it was almost $20. And then the soft drinks were $5. Here she comes.
Here is the Cajun chicken sandwich. And I just got the regular tenders and the french fries.
Got the kids with...
There's a really great little splash pad, and you would think that we would remember that there could be something like that, but we actually forgot to bring some clothes for them to change into today, so probably not going to be able to do the splash pad.
It actually works out that I forgot to pack swimming things because for us, it's cooler today. It's about 75 right now, which for Floridians, it's pretty much freezing. So she would have been cold anyway. So this is the Grand Cayman rock iguana. Hiding. You see him? Where is he?
All right, we found an African spur tortoise and some American alligators, of course.
We're gonna go see the snakes. This is my favorite part. I love the snakes at the zoo.
This one is called a gaboon viper. Look at his head.
Huge.
He wants to come say hi. That was probably one of the coolest serpentariums that we have seen at a zoo. There were some really awesome snakes there.
Ew, look at this one's head.
And actually it was pretty cool that some of them were pretty active. Upon exiting, we saw a couple of crocodiles and then a bald eagle. And now I think we're off to see a black bear. This space gives a lot of facts about black bears and then also talks a little bit about safety related to black bears. It also offers some unique views of the bears, but we noticed that one of them happens to be right up next to the fence and the observation area outside. There's a big cage full of tamarins here.
All right, we're gonna see what's up here.
Look, the otters are over on the other side. We gotta go around to that side to see them. Yeah, half fast.
We found the otters.
In this row, we found a couple of different kinds of lemurs and a lesser spot-nosed guenon. And now the rhino. And now Vivian has found her absolute favorite thing to do in the entire zoo and pretty much anywhere. I think we're gonna let them play here for a little bit and then we're gonna head back to the van for naps because it's getting really close to nap time.
You gonna take our picture? He made me sit in the photo booth. He said, sit. I was like, all right. What are you gonna do?
Vivian and I are gonna take a walk through the butterfly garden that's nearby. On the way, we discovered a giraffe. Vivian asked if she could feed the giraffe, and I told her that she could use her own money for that. That's kind of what we gave it to her for, but then she was disinterested all of a sudden. This might be working. Maybe she's a little less interested in spending her own money. After nap, we hopped on the train, which was only about $5 per person.
Are we gonna ride a train?
Yay!
I will say it's the only zoo train that we've ever ridden that didn't involve any animals. It was just kind of went around the parking lot. So we tried to make the best of that. This is so much fun.
Yeah, but somebody peeked at the car.
Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna go see the rest of the animals we haven't seen yet, and then we're taking Vivian to the petting zoo. She's super excited about that. Kitty.
Is it Tallahassee? What's the goat say, Bob?
So usually feeding opportunities are available, but they stop the feeding at 3 p.m. and it's 3:01 right now, so they wouldn't give us any feed. I think Vivian's content just to be able to touch one of them, though.
All Pierce cares about is the sink to wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
There's also a gift shop right in the middle of the petting zoo area. So since Vivian didn't spend her money on the giraffe feeding, and then there wasn't any petting zoo feeding to be done after 3 p.m., she still has her whole $20 left. So she has to buy her own dinner tonight on Adventure Day because that's part of our agreement. But if she saves her money up, she can maybe go get something that she wants to save up for at Walmart or at Disney World or at one of the souvenir shops on one of our adventures. Although there are these molding machines all around and they only accept $5, but she keeps trying to pay for one with her $20 bill. So we let Vivian pick where we were going to go for dinner tonight. And what did you pick?
I picked Panda Express, my favorite place to eat. I'll buy it for you.
Oh, you're going to buy my food?
Mm-hmm.
That's really thoughtful of you. But we'll buy our own food. You can use that for yourself.